Don't film this part. I'm going to break it.
Yeah, that's the part of the job, conversion.
Might break it.
Oh, we take them off? All of them? Oh.
Yeah, then when we put
a new one.
Now we have somewhere to hook up our lights too. So this, you want it up here, right? Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be like that.
Right.
Because when I put the bracket on, I have to be able to get at the screws.
Oh.
The bracket sits like that, and then the wires go up.
So this pretty straightforward. The color, you just connect the same color.
Yeah. Okay, these.
I remember there's a USB. What's that tool called? The same?
Staple gun.
Staple gun. Okay, I'll make sure I read. I don't understand this part. How come it gonna stay just from pricing once?
That's the way they make them. just called a crimp connector.
Cream. Now what?
Okay, now you have to hold the meter. I have to check
Oh.
that.
Oh,
And there's power here. The problem is something in the fan. Why the fan's not working?
I don't know.
And you need it. It's simple. It should just work.
Right.
Huh. See if it's stuck or something. Hey,
Oh yeah.
let's stick on.
How come this come like white and black, not red and blue?
Should be red and black, but
Red and black.
maybe it's European or something. They use white instead of red.
Oh.
Okay, get my staple gun. So it's on now. Good.
See the light color different.
Yeah.
How was the gym?
There's no mattress in there. I wouldn't advise it. No. It's pain in the butt for
You
me.
don't have a confidence in me.
No, it's even, like I said, it's just a pain for me too. So I don't want to put you through that. And where did you get the USB plugs from?
Of course, Amazon.
Oh, that's why.
Why?
That's why they didn't come with screws.
How come the other one has?
Because I bought it from Home Depot. Yeah. where you want your lights, right? Okay, so how far in? Like in here?
Well, it doesn't matter much.
Doesn't matter much. Okay. Well, we don't. One here and one here. Everything is so slippery. Can you hold this?
Of course.
Now, should we put one there, one here? Maybe we should make it right in the center. So that's right here, I think. So, because if you're standing at the sink, you don't want it shadowing.
Oh.
You want it to.
Oh, okay.
Right? So maybe they're not positioned exactly by measurement, but they're by function.
Yeah.
Right?
Makes sense.
I'm trying to avoid the beam up here, right?
Oh.
So I can get the wire
Oh.
down the side.
So many factors.
Yeah.
What?
So many factors. Because the wire comes out the side, remember I was telling you?
Yeah. Another factor.
I have to connect my wire and then be able to pull this
In.
plus the connections into the ceiling so that you don't see this big piece of wire hanging here, right?
Right.
But
Right now you cannot.
I have to see where the wire is going to go. See, these things are meant to be under here,
Right.
and then the wire goes up inside your cabinet or here in a house. And usually in a house, this part hangs down this far. So you don't even see this. It's just hidden up there, right? So you don't see any of the wiring, even though it's just run along the underside, right? That's my point.
The point is, can we use it or not?
Well, you want it to look good too, right? But I'm going to have to put a hole as big as the pencil so I can stuff the wire back up in there, right?
Uh-huh.
The only thing you can, right, like I got to be able to pull these connections
Uh-huh.
back up inside or else you're going to have a whole bunch of wire there with these goofy connections on.
When I pick them up, I only care about the color.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's just,
sorry. I have no idea. Just look. All
It's-
right. I'm really a troublemaker, I found.
and like he said, I didn't even notice. See this square piece?
Uh-huh.
We cut it out to go here.
Right.
Well, the screws are part of that square piece. So there's not enough wood left here to put a screw into, right? Like they should have had the mounting holes up here, 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 and here or something, right?
You can drill a hole, I guess.
Yeah, if we can get this faceplate off without, without breaking it, right? So far, that's the challenge.
Sorry, making your job harder.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, you got the idea?
Got an idea, but made to work, right? Or made for the job.
But nothing made for this,
Like,
for VanConversion. We have to make them work. Or I just put it fake for decoration.
you just cut the wires off and just stick it there. No. Yes, this is big trouble.
Big trouble.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like trouble. It's big. Want to make sure they work first.
Oh, this is a test.
Test, yeah. Okay. Well, we know it all works.
Okay.
One is in.
See? As I said, you can always find a way, huh?
Now I agree, yes. All right.
Enough light.
Get these hooked up.
Right.
It'll be right over here.
Dim, 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 dim. Oh,
Okay, so that's. Oh, okay. You just hold it like this. Goes dim. Then you hold it. It goes up. Bright.
there's another way too.
Oh, I know. You can go like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
right?
Right. Cool.
You can go like that, or instant.
Okay, cool. Finally it worked. It's costly, but nice.
There. You looking at me?